We are at the Carlsbad KOA in Carlsbad, New Mexico. It's about a 45-minute drive to the Carlsbad Caverns and about an hour drive to Roswell. We are in site B11 and it's a pull-through full hookup site, and it's so big that our little R-Pod can go in the middle and we can park the truck in the front or the back. So it would be totally fine for like really big rigs. We've got the sewer hookup right here and water. Oh, our little water top blew off. It's been really windy. It also even snowed last night, which is crazy. There's cable and satellite. There's about 40 channels-ish. We've got the water hookup there. In here, in our electric box, it's kind of underneath, there are, let me try to open it. In our electric box, there's both 50 and 30 amps. Coming around to the front of our site, again, like I said, it's huge. We've got our fire pit here with a screen in case we want to grill, picnic table, and we've got a decent amount of room in between the two sites. We're here on a Monday and off season, so it's not really busy, but you know, a decent amount of room. It's a gravel site, but it's pretty flat. We didn't have to use any leveling blocks. And the Wi-Fi is good. I don't know if it's good because no one's here, but it's good enough to do work videos. And you can see we're right by the pool. It's just beyond us. And the office and the clubhouse and all that type of stuff is just beyond the pool. This is the front office area. And it's got some decor here, a fountain. And you can walk up to the office where obviously we'll go in a second, but you can register and there's a little shop. But if you're late, there's a night registration station right here. There's a small koi pond near the office, and there's actually fish in it. There were yesterday anyway. There's like orange fish in it at the corner there. On the other side of the office is the porch. There's also restrooms here. The laundry room is located here, as well as there's picnic tables on the porch, a swing, and even a chess set, and a bike rack. This is the laundry room at the Carlsbad KOA. And there are 8 dryers and 9 washers, and they're newer washers and dryers. They're a little bit expensive. The washers start at $2.50. It costs $3 to do a large load, and the dryers are 25 cents for every 5 minutes. There is also an area for books and magazines, and in the back here, there's a folding area and seating area with a hanging bar on each side. There's also a TV in here if you're waiting. And this is a fold-out ironing board. There are also laundry carts in here and a few more chairs for waiting, and then also some brochures for local things to do. And the laundry room is open 24 hours. These are the bathrooms at the back of the park. Right now the front of the park bathrooms are getting renovated, so they're not open, but these 3 are. Each restroom is a single unisex stall. There's a toilet, sink, mirror, soap, paper towel, and then you have a full shower. Lots of room in here too. Here's the shower head. It's on a wand. Big shower there. And then there's also towel racks on this side. And just beyond the bathroom, there's a playground with swings and a whole play structure. This is the deluxe cabin at the KOA, and it has a bathroom inside of it, whereas some of the smaller cabins don't have the restrooms inside. This park does have propane available for purchase and also has a vacuum for your car or RV. Here's the pool at the KOA. It goes from 3 feet to 5 feet. And there's a large patio space for furniture, laying out in the sun, things like that. It is closed right now due to COVID. Pool area, there are 2 horseshoe pits, and then just beyond it, there is a communal fireplace with Adirondack chairs. Like most KOAs, there's a gaga ball pit. Beyond the gaga ball pit is a basketball court. Then next to the basketball court, this is the tent area, and each site has a picnic table and a fire pit. It's a 24-hour recreation room. It has like pool tables, foosball, stuff like that, but it is closed right now. Near the rec area, this KOA does have a camp kitchen. This is a covered tent area. It's really cute. There's 4 areas underneath this gazebo, and each one has an area to place your tent, and then you have this like covered area, a fire pit, and a picnic table, and a grill too. Like most KOAs, there are smaller cabins and larger cabins. These are some of the smaller cabins, and there are some smaller back-end spots, like where this Airstream is, where they have a fire pit and picnic table still, but it's just a smaller spot and not a pull-through. This is site T12. It's like a deluxe tent site that also has a covered area, picnic table, and fire pit. This is the camp canine area for your dog. There are 2 areas divided by a fence, and they do provide bags to clean up. We haven't been putting our dog in here though, because this time of year there are a lot of thorns and little grass pieces, and our dog's hair is way too long, and I'm kind of over brushing him every time he comes in here. But I'm sure during the summer when the grass is not dormant, you don't have that issue. So this is site C5, and it's considered like a deluxe site, I think, or I'm not quite sure, but it has a nicer patio, comes with a grill, fire pit, and then a little covered area with a porch swing. This is site B4. It doesn't have the covered area, but it does have the porch swing, the table, and then a grill, and then a nice paved area, brick paver area. This is site C9, and it comes with a charcoal grill, a gas grill, table and chairs. There's also a fire pit. It's paved, it has a cover, and it has a swing too. And as you're leaving this KOA, they have a cute sign with a checklist, so you don't forget anything on your way out. Come on, buddy. It's okay. Come on. Come on, it's okay. Let's go outside in the snow. Good boy.